In this video, we listed the 5 best car vacuum cleaners on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XIAOMI MIJIA Handheld Cleaner. The XIAOMI Vacuum Cleaner Mini is a compact and portable wireless cleaning device designed for efficient dust removal in both home and car environments. Weighing less than 3 kilograms and featuring a sleek design that is slimmer than a thermos, this handheld vacuum boasts a powerful brushless motor capable of generating 13,000 pascals of suction power at 88,000 RPM. It operates with a rechargeable Li-ion battery that provides up to 30 minutes of usage in low gear and 9 minutes in high gear. The vacuum includes a 0.5 L dust box with a cyclone filtration system for effective dust capture and easy, one-click disposal. With multifunctional nozzles, it is versatile enough to clean various surfaces, including hard-to-reach areas and car interiors. The device is designed for user convenience, featuring a removable and washable filter, compatibility with Type-C charging ports, and a secure dust cup lock to prevent accidental openings. Overall, the XIAOMI Vacuum Cleaner Mini combines practicality and style, making it an ideal choice for quick and efficient cleaning tasks. Number 2. Baseus A5 Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus A5 car vacuum cleaner is a powerful and portable cleaning solution designed for both vehicle interiors and home use. Featuring advanced cyclone technology, this vacuum generates an impressive 16,000 pascals of suction power through a robust 130W brushless motor, ensuring efficient dirt and dust removal while preventing filter clogging. Its cordless design, powered by a 7,500 mAh battery, allows for up to 35 minutes of operation on eco mode, making it convenient for deep cleaning tasks. The vacuum is equipped with a smart blockage alarm and a user-friendly dust emptying feature that minimizes mess. Additionally, the HEPA filter captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, promoting a healthier environment by reducing secondary pollution. With certifications from CE, FCC, KC, and ROHS, the Baseus A5 combines high performance, ease of maintenance, and reliable quality, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a versatile cleaning tool. Number 3. SZUK Car Vacuum Cleaner. The SZUK handheld vehicle vacuum cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed for both home and car use. Made from high-quality ABS material and presented in a sleek silver finish, this vacuum features an advanced brushless motor that delivers an impressive suction power of 180,000 PA at a rated speed of 25,500 RPM, ensuring effective removal of dirt, dust, and pet hair. Its user-friendly design includes a lightweight, cordless format powered by a long-lasting 3x2000 mAh lithium battery, allowing for easy maneuverability and quick recharging via a convenient Type-C charging line. Operating quietly at less than or equal to 52 dB, this vacuum cleaner is ideal for cleaning tight spaces such as car interiors and keyboards without causing disturbances. With a robust performance range suitable for temperatures between -20 to +50, it comes equipped with 6 accessories to enhance its functionality, making it an essential tool for maintaining cleanliness in various settings. Number 4. Baseus AP02 Car Vacuum. The Baseus AP02 Roller Brush Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for both car and home use, particularly benefiting pet owners dealing with stubborn pet hair. With a robust 160W motorized roller brush, this vacuum efficiently picks up debris and hair without tangling, making it ideal for various surfaces such as carpets, upholstery, and bedclothes. It features multiple brush head accessories, including a crevice nozzle and bristle nozzle, allowing users to tackle diverse cleaning scenarios. The vacuum is equipped with a 1000 ml dustbin for extended cleaning sessions, a built-in LED light for visibility in dark areas, and a lightweight, portable design for easy storage and transport. Additionally, the washable HEPA filter captures 99.99% of fine particles, ensuring a clean environment and minimizing allergens. Certified with safety features like overcurrent and overvoltage protection, the Baseus AP02 combines convenience, durability, and performance, making it a reliable choice for maintaining cleanliness in both vehicles and homes. Number 5. Baseus 15,000 Pascals Car Vacuum. The Baseus A3 car vacuum cleaner is a powerful and compact handheld device designed for efficient cleaning with a high suction force of 15,000 pascals, powered by an 80,000 RPM brushless motor that enhances cleaning effectiveness. Weighing just 0.8 kilograms and featuring a sleek metallic body, this vacuum cleaner is both portable and stylish, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It offers up to 50 minutes of battery life on standard suction mode, with a quick charging time of 3 to 5 hours via a Type-C port. The device includes a dual suction mode for varied cleaning needs, an automatic suction adjustment feature for tackling stubborn debris, and a practical light for illuminating dark corners. Additionally, it boasts a 70 ml dust bin, a dual filtration system with HEPA efficiency, and a versatile 2-in-1 nozzle for enhanced cleaning capabilities. Certified by FCC, RoHS, CE, and CCC, the A3 is an ideal choice for maintaining a clean car interior with ease and efficiency.